In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with Miro. By the end, you'll have your Drive connected and ready to bring files straight onto your Miro boards. Start by heading to Google in your browser. This is a simple way to make sure you're signed in to the Google account you plan to connect. If you use multiple Google accounts, confirming the right one now helps avoid having to switch later. Next, open Miro and log in. From your dashboard, open the board where you want to use Google Drive. You can do this integration from any board. It just needs to be one you can edit. On the left sidebar inside your Miro board, look for the plus icon. This opens the Apps and Tools menu. It's your gateway to integrations, including Google Drive. If you don't see it, try expanding the toolbar or zooming out slightly so the full sidebar appears. In the search field that appears, type Google Drive. You should see the official Google Drive app for Miro. Click it to begin connecting. If your workspace has app restrictions, you might see a prompt asking for admin approval. Reach out to your admin if that happens. A Google sign-in window will pop up. Choose the Google account that holds the files you want to use in Miro. If you're already signed in to multiple accounts, make sure you pick the correct one. Using the wrong account is a common reason people can't find their files after connecting. When prompted, click Continue to grant access. You'll see a quick summary of what Miro is requesting. The integration needs permission to let you browse and attach files from Drive into Miro. This access is limited to what's required to add and display the content you choose. You may see a second. Continue to confirm the connection. Click it to finalize. After a brief moment, you'll be returned to Miro. If the window doesn't close automatically, just switch back to your board. That's it. The integration is now active. You should notice Google Drive available from your apps or import options on the left toolbar. If you don't see it right away, refresh the board. If a pop-up was blocked during sign-in, allow pop-ups for Miro and try again. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Use the same Google account consistently to keep your files easy to find, and make sure you still have access to any shared Drive folders you plan to use in workshops. With Google Drive connected, you can quickly bring in docs, slides, and images to keep collaboration smooth and visual. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your connected Miro workspace.